You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't need to know everything about investing or budgeting. You just need to start. Today, I'm giving you the blueprint to level up your finances with 3 powerful steps. 1. Start learning. 2. Start saving. 3. Start following people who push you forward. The smallest start can change your entire financial life. Let's go. Section 1. Learn, read, and understand money. Financial freedom starts with financial literacy. You can't fix what you don't understand. Start here. The Total Money Makeover. Dave Ramsey, for beginners and debt payoff. Your Money or Your Life. Vicky Robin, for values-based money habits. I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Ramit Sethi, for automation and strategy. The Psychology of Money. Morgan Housel, for mindset shifts. Don't just read, take notes. Highlight what clicks. Apply one idea at a time. Prefer listening? Use audiobooks or podcasts during your commute or workout. Key mindset: you're not behind, you're just getting started. Section 2. Follow. Who you learn from matters. You become who you listen to. Unfollow the hype, the flexing, and the get-rich-quick crowd. Follow people who teach you how to build real wealth step by step. Look for YouTubers and educators who focus on budgeting, debt payoff, and investing podcasts that break down money in plain language. Instagram, TikTok accounts with real advice, not just aesthetic budgets. A few to start with, choose your vibe. Like, subscribe, and follow this channel for more, and others like at The Budgetnista, Tiffany Alich, at Clever Girl Finance, at Debt Free, Gonna Be Me, at Ramit Sethi, at Humphrey Talks, at Her First 100K, Tori Dunlap. Surround yourself with voices that say, you can do this. Section 3. Save. Build a mini emergency fund. A mini emergency fund is your first financial safety net. Goal: save $500 to $1,000 as fast as you can. Why it matters: it stops you from swiping credit cards in a crisis. It gives you peace of mind during your financial comeback. It proves to yourself that you can save. How to build it fast: sell stuff you don't use. Cut spending for 30 days, no fast food, no streaming, etc. Pick up a gig, DoorDash, babysitting, tutoring, etc. Get serious about cashback apps, surveys, rebates. Open a separate savings account. Automate $10 to $25 per week if you can. But it's not much, it's everything, because it's the start. Section 4. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. This journey isn't about perfection, it's about small wins that stack over time. Read one chapter. Save your first $50. Follow one creator who lights a fire under you. Momentum matters more than mastery. You don't need to know everything to make progress. You just need to move forward, one smart choice at a time. If this video helped you feel clearer about what to do next, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below. What's one money move you're going to make this week? And remember, you may have made mistakes, but that doesn't define you. You are not behind. You're building something better, starting today.